So Spike, can you just tell us just a little bit about your situation, how it started and how it progressed and where you're at now, please?
I came to California last January. Was here for about a week doing work. I'm a wood carver, so I was moving some big logs like I normally do and this sort of thing. And then within a week I became totally incapacitated. I was literally on a chair. And then had heard just through some people, some friends about Dr. Meyer and his work. I came in to see him, and then he recommended I get an MRI, which I did, and it showed some disc issues. So then I came back in to see him.
And I'm just going to cut for 1 second. I don't mean to interrupt you, but I just want to show. So right here, if I can get this, my finger lined up with the camera. So this is a disc bulge. This is a disc bulge, and this is your MRI. So this is what we found on the MRI, and we discovered, yikes, there is a real problem. So okay, sorry.
So through his Dr. Meyer's work with the adjustments and 3 times a week, but mostly the decompression table, I've and here we are today now. I've come this far.
How are you feeling?
Oh, brand new again. I'm back to work and pain-free, literally pain-free.
Can we tell everybody, so your pain was bad enough that, were you able to work?
No, not at all. I couldn't get up
Okay.
off the couch, off the chair, and I was on medication. I went to John Muir Emergency twice.
Okay.
And was given painkillers, heavy-duty painkillers.
No medication now?
No medication. I haven't been on medication for about a month.
And what were you doing this past weekend, day before yesterday?
I was dancing at a wedding and working and not lifting so much now, but doing
now.
things properly. I'm careful, but no pain, and I'm walking every day an hour.
But you are back to work.
Back to work.
Yep.
100% back to work.
And you carve sort of big, heavy things,
yeah,
right?
big logs, big heavy-duty logs, 300-400
Okay.
pound pieces of work. Yeah, I'm carving this stuff and moving around this stuff. So yeah, and I'm telling you, I am back to normal.
Terrific.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. It's great having you as a patient.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate
this
this.
so much.
All right. Thank you.